Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Hair Tips. As the winter ends, it's time to embrace the beautiful season of spring, and with that comes a fresh new look. If you have curly hair, we know how challenging it can be to maintain it during this season, but don't worry, we've got you covered. In today's video, we will share some fantastic tips for keeping your curls looking healthy and fabulous all spring long. First things first, washing your hair with the right products is crucial for maintaining your curls' shape. We recommend using a gentle shampoo and conditioner that can help retain your curls' natural shape while keeping them moisturized. Deep conditioning is essential for keeping your hair hydrated, especially during the spring season when humidity levels increase. We recommend deep conditioning your hair at least once a week to prevent it from becoming dry and brittle. Protecting your curls from the sun is crucial, and we suggest using a hat or scarf to keep your hair covered. Make sure the hat or scarf is lined with silk or satin to prevent breakage caused by rubbing against natural fibers. Heat styling tools can cause severe damage to your curls, so it's best to avoid them as much as possible. Instead, try using natural ways to style your hair, like braiding or twisting, which can give you a beautiful and natural look. While hair masks are an excellent way to keep your curls looking healthy and shiny, it's important not to overdo it. Too much moisture can cause the hair shaft to swell, while too much protein can cause stiffness, which leads to breakage. Use hair masks sparingly and no more than once a month, depending on your hair needs. Lastly, make sure to shampoo your hair at least once a week to maintain a clean and healthy scalp. If you have shorter hair, you may be able to get away with washing your hair 2 to 3 times per week, especially if you work out frequently. So there you have it. We have come to the end of another lesson. We have shared our top tips for keeping your curls looking healthy and fabulous this spring season. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any questions or additional tips, please leave them in the comments section below. And don't forget, Easy Hair Tips works with the Pamper Me Network and Beauty We to help the world's best hairstylists, makeup artists, photographers and models raise funds for their creative projects. When the projects are complete, we provide the technology tools and marketing support they need to monetize it. If that is you, we would love to collaborate. If that's not you, but you would like to recommend a friend, we will pay you for making the introduction. Please send a direct message if interested. I will send you instructions to get started. In the interim, please follow, like, comment, or subscribe for more hair care tips and tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye for now.